the first day of school. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Mr. Brough, and you'll be seeing a lot of me. I'm very excited to be joining the Crusader family. I'm very excited to be with you to start this new journey of our school year. Your teachers have been hard at work planning, praying, and preparing for today. I hope you have a terrific day today. I hope also you keep in mind the sacrifice that your parents are making in order to send you to such a terrific school, the time and effort they put in, and everything that goes into being a part of a wonderful Catholic school. Some of you may have seen some funny things happening on the internet lately involving ice and water and buckets. And some of you may already know our youth minister for the parish, Victoria, and recently on Facebook, Victoria and a certain OLL student both challenged me to participate in the Ice Bucket Challenge. And I'm going to do it for you with a bit of a challenge. With a bit of a challenge, though, and a bit of a tweak. I challenge you, every one of you Crusaders out there, to participate in next week's event, Stand Up to Cancer. You're going to be getting a flyer to go home, and you're going to be getting information. And I would love for you to all participate, 100% participation of all of us, in the Stand Up to Cancer event next week. And so I'm taking a bucket of ice for you, and for standing up to cancer. Give me a countdown.
Here it comes, and...
Give me a countdown.
Please follow the directions of your teacher. Have a good day.